Right, okay. Today we're going to be wiring up one of these wireless things. It's a self-generating wireless switch. Okay, so you got this little unit here, 2 switches. Okay, these switches, put them anywhere you want. The magic is what? See, on, off, on, off, on. Right, no wires. Piezo. Do you know? I think it works on piezoelectric, like the little things that you light it with. And it generates enough electricity to go wireless to this unit, which must be like electronic solenoid, which is on, off, just from this. So, yeah, let's try it. See what happens. So, we're going to stand a lamp. With the plug here. Okay, so we're going to look at the plug. We'll come back.